Sammy, can you hear me? Okay. I would like, Sammy, I would like you speak loud, and please, you are going to have 2 minutes in order to summarize what was the information that you found in the videos. Okay? So remember, you are going to have 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you are going to be stopped. Okay, Sammy? So guys, I appreciate it if you turn off your microphones while Sammy is talking about her summarize. Okay. Sammy, you have 2 minutes to talk about this. Let's start. Okay. Okay, Sammy, I'm going to ask you, which is the easiest part of the test?
He said that the easiest part of the test is the general points, the introduction, the
So,
points.
How long does it take?
2 minutes. It's 2 minutes and it's a kind of warm up.
Okay, very good.
Very short. It's better to extend our responses because it has to like monosyllable responses, and also listen carefully the stamina and to have high.
Okay, thank you, Sammy. So now, on the same way, Sammy, please turn off your microphone. And now we are going to listen to David. David, you are going to have 2 minutes. Okay, you are going to have 2 minutes in order to tell me, okay, about the videos we saw. Remember the videos that were sent to your email. So part 1 and part 2. Now you are going to talk about, like, summarize. What did you understand about in those videos, David? You are going to have 2 minutes. Okay, let's start.
Okay, my teacher. The video one, I can see one person telling me about the questions. For example, what do you do in your free time? He also say me about a lot of things about how to expressions about in this course. Also, what? Okay, remember the facts. The facts. In las 4 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to ask a question, David. I'm going to ask a question. Okay, like in this part, what type of questions will you be asked? What type of questions will you be asked in this part? In part 1.
Questions.
What type of questions will you be asked in part 1?
I remember the questions studies, several things.
Okay.
But
Thank
I
you.
don't remember.
Thank you, David. So now, okay, remember guys,
Two
you are
videos.
you are going to have
Okay.
you are going to have 2 minutes, guys. Remember that is important. Sammy, are you there? Sammy? Sammy, are you there? Ah, okay. Because I can see you. Okay. So and then, guys, remember that you have only 2 minutes in order to summarize. And then, guys, I'm going to ask you some questions that that are relevant to this. Okay. So and then, Alex, are we ready? Alexander? Alexander, I'm going to ask you some questions. I'm going to, you are going to have 2 minutes in order to summarize what were the videos about. What was the most important part of the videos, those videos you watch, okay? So you are going to have 2 minutes, okay, Alexander? Okay, Alexander, I cannot hear you. I can hear you. No, I can hear you, Alexander. I can hear you. Remember you probably you turn off the Skype. Now. Okay. Can you talk?
Okay, teacher.
Very good. Okay. And then remember, you are going to have 2 minutes. 2 minutes in order to summarize the information you got from the videos. Okay. So let's start.
Well, the most important part to me from the video what I watched is the part when the teacher speaks about to listen to the partner, because many times you are thinking the next thing what you want to say, but you're not listening what the partner is saying, and so the communication is not good. That's the most important part to me. And the other question is about the teacher speaking about short answers. It's difficult to make long a sentence. You get used to answer like yes or no, but you need to give some explanations to your response. That is a good tip. So it gives you more vocabulary and give you in order to get fluency. And the other video it gives to you some things about the Christians. It's not to be obvious about using the same word all the time. It's not you have to get another form to start a speech. In this case, they give you a picture.
Okay. So let me ask you a question, Alexander. What's the main advice in part 1 for the test? The principal advice. But the most important advice.
The principal to me.
Yes, sir.
Well, the principal advice is maintain the visual contact with your partner or your seminar. It's important.
Okay.
What is your expression of him or her?
Okay, guys. Now let's talk about the second part. Remember, guys, we have the second part. In the second video, okay, you were told to watch the video and get the information. So, what are the do's and don'ts? Alexander, tell me, what are the do's and don'ts concerned about the second part of the speaking task?
Well, can you hear me?
Yes, absolutely, I can hear you.
The do's and don'ts about the second part of the video.
Mm-hmm.
The video talks about how you introduce your explanation or your speech.
Okay.
Don't use always the same statements. It's a tip. It's the first tip that you can find in the video.
Okay, in the second part, and then guys, we were told to compare because we have some pictures. How many pictures do we get, David? How many pictures are you going to get in order to compare? David. David, can you hear me? David. Okay, Sammy, are you there?
Teacher, I'm here.
Okay, Sammy. Okay, let me ask some. Okay, David, can you hear me? Okay, guys. Okay, let me ask Sammy some questions. Sammy, could you please tell me? Okay, how many pictures do you have to describe according to the second video?
6 pictures.
How many pictures do you have to describe?
3. They show 6 pictures, but I must take 2 pictures.
Okay, which
No,
pictures?
right.
Which pictures are? Okay, which pictures should you take? Which pictures?
They suggested that don't choose the photos that are too obvious, or I don't understand. There are
Okay.
pictures that are contrasting in order to compare.
Okay. Very good. Okay, very good, Sammy. David, can you hear me? David. Can you hear me, David? Hi, Ever.
Hi.
Okay, finally you're here. Okay. Hi, Ever. Welcome. I mean, I was waiting for you for a while, but then you never came up.
My tutor, you ain't explaining my graph number 50. I wrote on YouTube and explain about the topic.
Okay, remember guys, over here our class is not about writing. This is about speaking. So it doesn't matter what you write, guys. I'm not going to be reading what you say because the class is about speaking. Whatever you want to say, guys, over here is going to be by your voice, speaking every time. Okay. So and then over here, like just to join Ever. So we were talking about what we saw in the videos, the information that we got, and then so we said, remember guys, we said that we are going to be exposed to 3 pictures, but and then you only have to describe 2. Is that correct?
Okay.
Ever, since you are over there, and then I'm going to ask you a question. Okay. A question.
Okay.
So, the lady was giving some advice. So, what is the lady advice when describing the pictures? What was her advice? Ever.
No, no little sample, a description image.